Hello and welcome back to Single Malt Lover. If you're new to the channel, my name is Jazwal and I post videos on how to do easy cocktails at home. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas and a great New Year. So in this video, I'm going to show how to do 5 easy vodka based cocktails that you can do at home. If you haven't seen the part 1, which I have done in my previous videos, check the link in the description below, or you can check it somewhere up here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a Blue Lagoon, and this cocktail is based with blue Curacao, vodka and Sprite. So take your glass and add some ice. You can use any preferred glass that you have at home. In my case, I'll be using a highball. Add about 40 ml or 60 ml of vodka depending on which blue Curacao syrup you have. If you have a liqueur, you gotta add 40 ml. If you have a syrup, you gotta add 60 ml of your vodka. So add about 40 ml of your vodka. There you go. Add about 20 ml or less of your blue Curacao. You could just add a dash. There you go. And all you need is just add Sprite. That's your Blue Lagoon, guys. So to complete the drink, all you need is a garnish. You could garnish it with a lime peel or a lime badge, whichever one you have. Or you can go with a lemon. So I'll be going with a lime peel. There you go. And just to add the straw. Cheers, guys. This is your Blue Lagoon. Enjoy. Moving on to the next cocktail, there's a chocolate martini. This cocktail is based with 2 simple ingredients: vodka and creme de cacao or chocolate liqueur, whichever one you have. If you have a creme de cacao white, you could use white. If you have creme de cacao dark, you could use creme de cacao dark. So again, take your shaker, add some ice. So add about 40 ml of your vodka, and there are many other different variations when it comes to chocolate martinis. So if you want to know the different variations, drop me a link below. Let me know if you want to see the other variations. Add about 40 ml of your vodka. There you go. Add about 20 ml of your chocolate liqueur. You could use white or dark if you have, whichever one you have. Take your shaker and give it a nice vigorous shake. There you go. Take your martini glass and you can directly pour it in. If you don't have the martini glass, you could use any glass at home that you. And there you go. Cheers, guys. Tasty chocolate martini. Enjoy. Moving on to the next cocktail, that's a Sex on the Beach. Whoa, guys, you guys all look excited about it. This cocktail is based with vodka, cranberry juice, orange juice, and peach liqueur. So take your hurricane glass. If you don't have a hurricane glass, you could use any glass at home. Add some ice. Add about 40 ml of your vodka. There you go. Add about 20 ml of your peach liqueur. If you don't have a peach liqueur, you could use a peach syrup or whichever one you have at home. So there you go. Add some orange juice. And top it off with cranberry. There you go, guys. You could also shake this cocktail if you want, but I like to have my sex on the beach belt. So to complete your drink, add a garnish. You could use orange or orange with a cherry or whichever one you have. So I'll be going just with the orange slice. There you go, guys. And cheers, guys. That's your sex on the beach. Enjoy it. Moving on to the next cocktail, that's a Black Russian. This cocktail is based with vodka and Kahlua or any other coffee liqueur that you have at home. So take your glass, add some ice. Add about 40 ml of your vodka. And 20 ml of your coffee liqueur or the Kahlua, whichever one you have. There you go. So that's your Black Russian, guys. And if you want, you could also add a Coke just to top it up, but it's not necessary. It's up to your preference. You could top it up with Coke, and you could just enjoy it with Coke or without Coke. By the way, this is your Black Russian, guys. Cheers. Moving on to the next cocktail, that's a Cosmopolitan. This cocktail is based with vodka, cranberry juice, triple sec, and freshly squeezed lime juice. So take a shaker, add some ice. Add about 40 ml of your vodka. There you go. Add about 20 ml of your triple sec. Add a freshly squeezed, or you could squeeze a fresh lime. There you go. Add a dash of orange juice, add a dash of cranberry juice, and give it a nice vigorous shake. There you go. So you could use any glass at home over here. I'll be using again a Martini glass, and take your strainer, pour it in. There you go. So to complete your drink, you need a garnish. You gotta flame the orange peel. So take your orange peel and give it a nice flame to it. Just give it a nice little flame to this. And you're almost done. Just take this pill and give it a nice flame to the glass. Give it a twist and put it in the glass. And cheers, guys. It's a Cosmopolitan. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Drop me a comment below. Let me know what you want to see in the next video. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Until then, peace and enjoy.